In this video, I will show you how to make emojis bigger on Messenger. First things first, open up the Facebook Messenger application on your iPhone. Next, tap on the chat where you want to send that oversized emoji. Now, look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see a smiley face icon. Go ahead and tap on it. This will give you access to all the fun emojis available on your device. Scroll through the emoji options until you find the one that perfectly expresses what you want to say. Once you've found your desired emoji, tap and hold it for a moment. Now, simply drag and drop that emoji into the chat window. After dropping it into the chat, you'll see a pop-up notification asking if you're ready to send it. Just tap send, and voila, your emoji is now sent as a larger sticker. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.